All right, guys, welcome back. Cam and Jared here from 3C's Recreation. Cam, what are we doing today, bud?
We're putting some 32s on the Z-Force.
And what's the second stage that we're gonna do?
We are going to put a Team MSC Stage 3 clutch kit in it.
24 Z950 HOEX. How many miles are on this thing? Cam's gonna look into it. So we just filled the tires with air, right, Cam? What'd you put in the tires?
They're all at 15 psi.
So every tire is 15 psi.
We got just under 750 miles on it.
So 750 miles. So it's broken. It's perfect. Yeah. And Cam drove it over here, and it's about a 2.5 mile drive from the shop. So the motor's fully warmed up. The tires, what brand did we go with?
They are a BF Goodrich KM3 32 by 10 14 because we're running the stock rims still.
Okay, so we'll show some videos of all. We're not gonna do install on any of the clutch or anything, and we bought everything in the video. We didn't get anything given to us. So we're gonna do 2 runs of each, and I want you to compare what your cab speed says versus what my radar gun says. So we have a Bushnell radar gun that we use all the time for all of this stuff. So what we'll do is I'm curious what the vehicle says versus what my radar gun says. So let's get to it. Full disclaimer, there's a pretty good hill coming down to it, but it does level out quite a ways down there. So here comes Cam. This is the first run. Got the radar gun ready. Stock tire, stock clutching. Okay, only 61 miles an hour. That's a little more disappointing than I thought it was going to be. Let's see what he says when he comes back over. What did that say for
65 when I passed you?
Okay, this says 61.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it one more time. Right. If you guys at home are getting more than 61 to 65 out of your stock Z-Force, let us know. And again, stock everything in 15 PSI in the tires. Let's see what run number 2 gives us. All right, run number 2, I hear him coming down the hill. Oh, I picked it up way up there. That's crazy. .61 mile an hour again. So this thing is super close every time. 61. Let's see what he has to say.
66 that time.
66. I was still at 61. So
okay.
Super close, super accurate.
Consistent.
And I think it's fully shifted out. It's not gaining speed as you're coming. So
I was gaining like a little bit, but it was just teetering right there.
Yeah, mine was going back and forth from 60 to 61. So I don't think we're not wrong on how. So and you got a pretty good hill helping you out.
Yeah,
so.
Yeah, that was a good run there.
Cool. All right, let's get back over to the shop and get the tires on it. All right, guys, we're back. How'd the tires go today?
Good. They went on pretty easy. Those bead locks are easy to mount.
A lot of bolts, though.
Yeah, a lot of bolts, a lot of torque specs.
Good to hear you guys back in the shop winging those things on. So
they're not too bad, though.
I knew when you were getting close. So, okay, so 61 mile an hour on my radar gun and 66 mile an hour
on the gauge.
On the gauge. Now we're doing the second shoot, which is just tires. So BF Goodrich's 32s?
32.
All right, let's see it. See how far this thing picks him up. He was really on top of the hill. 59, 60, 61. Man, it's still right there. That's insane. We're still at 61, even with a tire size difference. Let's see what his display said. What did the display say?
Like 60.
60? What do you think it was really going?
I don't know, like 61, 62?
Yeah, dude, 61. It didn't change at all. One more time.
All right.
Thing is incredibly consistent. That is wild. Every single time we've been at 61 miles an hour. Same exact thing. At least you're consistent, Cam.
Yeah. Well, I always feel like I'm about to gain, and then I'm like, I gotta hit the brakes.
Yeah, I think it's good though.
Yeah.
All right, let's get back over to the shop.
Right.
All right, guys, welcome back. Day 2. We now have tires and your clutch kit in,
yes,
right?
Stage 3 MSC clutch kit.
Did that go okay yesterday?
Yeah.
Or just earlier today?
Well, yeah, went in pretty good.
Okay. So let's do it before the rain hits. Let's see 2 runs. Let's do it. We were at what, 61 yesterday? Oh, holy smokes. We gained 4 mile an hour with that clutch kit. I'm curious to see what his thoughts are on the quickness of it too. Like, how did that feel?
It felt like it a lot faster. I hit 65 there.
That's what it said here too.
Yeah.
Put your windshield out on this one. So I think yesterday our windshield was up.
It was up for one of the runs, and then it was down for the other one. But I'll run it up this time.
Yeah, let's try it that way. Nope, still hit 65.
It's like 64 on the gauge.
Was it? It was still 65 here.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool though.
Yeah, it definitely feels like it still wants to keep climbing, but I'm letting out there.
I think so too. I mean, this is a quarter mile, just so you guys know. Top of that hill to here is a quarter mile. So, I mean, it's still a pretty good run. Most of your trails, you're not going to have much more
we gained
field.
about 5 miles an hour in a quarter mile there. I mean, we just kept running down the road. I mean, you can definitely keep climbing, but
I think so too. Does it feel like it accelerates harder?
It feels like it accelerates way better now, especially because after I put the bigger tires on it without the clutch kit, it kind of dumbed it down, but with the clutch kit now, it honestly feels like it had more power before even on the stock tires.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, well, let's get back over to the shop. I'll radar you, or I'll video you taking off. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel. This is Jared at 3Cs. That was Cam. Just a fun little video shoot. He wanted to do tires and he wanted to do clutch kit anyway, so we decided to film it all at once. So enjoy the ride. We'll see you on the trail.